So hello, and thank you, Arnaud, for taking the time today. Could you first tell us a little bit more about yourself and about your role at Corteco?
Yeah, hello. So my name is Arnaud Portalez. I'm the data manager for Corteco Europe, and I'm in charge of all the topics regarding data for our products.
Sounds great. So for how long are you with Corteco?
I started to work in Corteco in 2006. I was a product manager for static selling products, and after 10 years, I moved to the data management team in Corteco.
Great. So you are quite experienced both in the automotive aftermarket and with handling data. Sebastian already told us that data quality is nearly as important as product quality right now. So how has bringing products to market has changed in the last 15 years since you are with Corteco?
Yeah, exactly. Product quality is very important, but data quality is as well an important factor in terms of business success. That's really increasing nowadays in our digital world, and it's really important to offer to our customer the best data quality as possible.
So, and when do you as a data team step in? So is it now in an earlier stage of a product development than it was like 20 years ago?
Yes, exactly. When we are developing a new product, immediately we are taking care of the data quality. That's very important for us that we are offering a good level of quality for our product. I mean, to not have any warranty issue, but as well to offer the best data quality in terms of information to our customers, to make sure that they are able to find the best way as possible the parts they are looking for to repair a vehicle.
So as you know, currently we are trying to get your data into the catalogs even faster. So in the past or also currently you could opt for like a quarterly or monthly data update, but now our newest API is instant data processing, meaning as soon as you make a change in the data, it will be live for the market. So do you think this is the right way to go?
Oh, yes. Is it exactly the right way to go? In the past, we were delivering our data every quarter, but the trend of the market was to receive something on a monthly basis. That's really important for us because it helps us to provide accurate, up-to-date data to our customer. We are working in Corteco to improve every day our linkages to vehicles regarding our products. We are as well trying to improve our cross-references versus competitors, cross-references versus OE numbers. So we are doing that every day. And for us, that's very important that we could communicate that to our customers more frequently. So I like as well the idea of the IDP, instant data processing, because this way we can decide by ourselves when we would like to communicate new data and up-to-date data to our customers.
So you already talked about the competition, and this is like a situation in which we are in because TechDoc is kind of a global standard for replacement parts, and therefore we provide a level playing field for everybody. But you, as a company, you are in a very competitive market, and it's important for you to differentiate from your competition as well. So, and this could be achieved through higher data quality. So how important is that for you?
It's crucial. You say the word, we are in a very competitive environment and we have to face more and more competitors. What is really important with TechDoc is it's a standardization of data. That's very important for us that our customers, wherever they are in the world, they could have access to the same kind of information. It helps us to offer the best service as possible to our customer and to face, of course, our competitors, thanks to this standardization that is now mandatory from the market requirements.
So that's great. And I also have to congratulate you again. I also congratulated Sebastian as well. You were one of the first companies who met our new criteria for our premier data supplier label. So what does this mean for you on one side internally for the team who is doing really hard work and gets this appreciation, but also for your business? How important is it to fulfill all these new KPIs?
Yeah, thank you for the congratulations. This is very important for us to be Premier Data Supplier certified. And I have to say that when Tech Alliance created 2 years ago this project of increasing the data quality in TechDoc, I was very pleased to see that, because it was really going in the direction that Corteco already decided to improve our own data quality in TechDoc. It means, of course, internally, it means a lot of efforts from plenty of different teams in our organization, data management, category management. And for me, it was really a good sign that we took the correct direction, the correct way to improve the data. And it was something to say, yeah, you have done a good job. And it's not us that is saying that we have a good data quality. It's something that Tech Alliance is saying to our customer. We checked the data of our data suppliers, and we can confirm that they are offering a good level of data quality. That's a very important for us, that we can be certified regarding this topic.
So, and how would you, or how do you experience the collaboration together with Tech Alliance? Because I mean, for 15 years, so Tech Alliance, so we and you, we are kind of a long-term relationship.
Yeah, exactly. In 15 years, I've seen a very positive evolution, and I really like your question, because I really would like to mention that I've seen a different way of communication in Tech Alliance, and I really have to say that we have the feeling that you are very customer voice oriented. You are really taking care about what we are noticing. So when we notice something to improve, in TechDoc, for example, in the DMM, there is always someone that will take care about our requirements. Or I can give you a perfect example with the data quality project with the DQM team in Tech Alliance. We are in a very close collaboration. We are always checking, for example, when they introduce the new KPIs, we are always discussing about how to reach these KPIs. What does it mean for a data supplier? How to standardize our data, sometimes, of course, how to take the correct decision to correct some data. And it was really in a close collaboration. And we have contact persons that we can always discuss or set up some meetings when we have some questions. That's very important. And I have to say that it's the biggest improvement I have seen in Tech Alliance is really the communication with their data supplier.
So looking back at the last 15 years and maybe the present, I would like to ask you to close this interview. So what's ahead of us? So what's next for the industry, and how can the ongoing digitization and especially product data quality help our future challenges in the market?
Yeah, you're right. So the product quality and the data quality will increase drastically, because you have new vehicles, more and more vehicles running. You have vehicles with more and more equipments, and it's more and more difficult for data suppliers to understand or to show to the customer how they can differentiate different products. So the data quality in a digital world will become more and more important. And I really have the feeling that you are developing in Tech Alliance the correct tools with some products you already promote in some specific data supplier days. I really think you are going in the right direction to offer the correct tools to your customers, and that will be very useful as well for us to use this tool to offer the best data as possible to our customers too.
Okay, great. This sounds great. And thank you very much for your time today, Arnaud. And don't worry, there will always be a new set of KPIs we're working on, and we'll throw at your team. So we'll keep you busy.